won't shy away from a fight, but I'd rather be in the lab.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
If you should fall, mortal, riches will not buy your way out of my realm.
Oh no, how about charm?
Perhaps, if only you have some.
Wow, that was cold. And for some reason, extremely hot.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area.
Bombs away!
Got it?
I don't know the actual mileage, but it feels like a long way from Queens.
I'll take a shield, sure.
Watch out, they're headed our way!
Powering up. Look out below!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Double KO! The mission area is yours.
Our efforts deserve praise.
Take a look behind.
Quite the collaboration.
Feeling good again. Powering up. Anyone say fireworks? My armor's got a lock on a bogey.
Incoming.
I needed that. Ah, that's better.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Without look out below! Bombs away! Iron Man, operational again.
The area's almost yours.
Powering up. Now we give the people what they want. Maximum pulse! I never had kids, but I did have the Avengers. Same thing. Rockets, fire!
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
That is some pretty impressive tech you're wearing, kid. Wait, you have gear more advanced than mine? And you got it from Cap? I don't know how to feel about that.
Well, suddenly I'm feeling pretty darn good.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
What Loki has begun in Asgard, I will complete.
I don't think that's powering up.
Looks like the
Judge,
mission area is
jury,
yours to capture now.
executioner!
That's how it's done.
Oh, you thought you got rid of me? Think again. Squirrel girl. That felt kind of mean. Feeling good again.
Incoming!
Powering up. Anyone say fireworks?
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
I needed that.
Control lost.
Bright like a star!
3 down, more to go. Double KO.
Iron Man operational. Powering up. Now we give the people what they want. Bombs away.
Incoming!